guys, how's it going? Today's a good day, and a good day because the weather is nice. Look how beautiful it is, and I got new tires on my GT350. The old ones were pretty worn. I'll put a picture in the video, especially the inside of the fronts were pretty bad, and you could almost see the liner. Well, you could see the liner come through a little bit. So when I looked at them here, what you normally see, didn't notice it. You could look in here and you could see they were really bald. So I got new Michelin Super Sports on it, and these are the OEM tires that came with it stock. It was hard to find some, and it was even harder to find some for a price that doesn't kill you. Same at the rear, Michelin Super Sports in 305 35 19. And when I looked them up first, I thought, let's go price them out, and the cheapest I found was $42 for the fronts and $405 for the rears, and that's without tax, of course. So sounded expensive. I went to Ford in Salt Lake, and they made me a quote for, I don't know, it was horrible. It was about over 100 more per tire. So I said, no thanks. I went to a different Ford dealer because they claim they can match the prices, and it was 100 more per tire. So no go. Went to Discount Tire and got these for the price I mentioned before. I wish there was a cheaper option, but everything got so expensive. I don't know why the rubber got so expensive. Or maybe is it the size? No clue. It is frustrating, you know. It's frustrating what's going on and how the prices go up, and somehow it's always the same people who pay the price. It's just people like me who are just try to have a normal life and have to pay an enormous amount on everything they need. Anyways, I got them on now. There was a lot of traffic coming back, so people were going fast and on the freeway. I just took it easy, well, kind of easy. So I don't know how they handle, but they handle the same as they handled before when it was new, because it's the OEM spec on these tires. You get these without the OEM spec too. There's a slight difference, whatever it is, I don't know. Maybe someone else knows and can enlighten us in the comments. The Shelby runs good. There's nothing else to say. You saw the video about the service, so that was great, and I'll drive it more often now they have those new tires, so I can drive it a little more often and have a little bit more fun with it. It's fun to have it in the garage, but it's more fun to have it on the road and drive it around. So as much as fun as the Tesla is with saving money, with free charging during lunchtime and all that, sometimes it's fun to just drive these V8 cars and enjoy the sound, and you all know what I mean. That's a short update on the Mustang. So Shelby GT350, plenty other videos on it if you haven't seen it, so go ahead and look at my videos, and we'll see you next time for another video. Enjoy your summer and enjoy the good weather wherever you live. Can't speak. If you live up north on the East Coast, I think it's a little smoky right now, but here in Utah we are lucky for as of now. Look at that, clear blue skies, a couple clouds. All right, hang in there, and see you for the next video.